Hi Mama Arot! Welcome to...
Ay, Dax!
I know, right?
Dax! Lemon Challenge Special.
I started doing this challenge para gawing more engaging and mapalawak ang community nating mga small animators and artists and hopefully someday ma-recognize ang ating community. Simple lang ang rule. Express nyo lang ang theme through drawing on any medium, mapa-traditional man or digital yan, and magbigay ng maikling explanation ng work nyo for the purpose of not misunderstanding your craft. Okay?
Uki?
Okay. First, isipakilala muna natin ang mga magagaling nating judge na buong pusong nag-volunteer. First judge, Roy. Next, Gianong. Then, Zime. And syempre, yours truly. For this week's theme, musika or music. So, nakareceive tayo ng 38 artworks. Wow! Sobrang yung pinahirapan yung mga judges. Okay, so let's check the entries. First is from Akire Arts. So, umpisa pa lang makikita natin na gusto niya iparating talaga dito is music is life kasi ginamit niyang representation yung heartbeat sa likod which is connected to the guitar wherein the guitar represents the music. So, kumukuha mo talaga na music is life yung gusto niyang i-express dito. Okay, next is si Amsemation. Isa to sa mga malulupit nating contestants and sobrang taba ng utak na ito. Okay, so kapag titingnan mo yung artwork niya, sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam. Maybe because of the colors na ginamit niya. Isa sa mga napansin ko ay nagustuhan ko dito is yung the way na ginamit niya yung mga tao dito. Hindi lang to represent that they are enjoying music at the moment, but yung the way ng pagkakapwesto nila, yung magkakatabi sila parang nakasandal sa isa't isa, gusto niyang i-represent na with music, you can create connection, and with connection, you can create togetherness. Okay, next artwork is from Angela Santos. Ang lakas makagaan din sa pakiramdam net. Maybe because of the sunset, which represents memories, maybe something about the past, happy moments, sad moments, ganun yung dating sa akin and may kita naman natin sa bottom left na may nalagay dito na music is my escape. Gusto niya sabihin na even though you're sad, you can use music to create another reality. And that reality is her escape on her current world, on her current situation. Okay, next is si Arc Animation. Isa na naman napaka-talented at napaka-creative na contestant natin. Ginamit niya as representation yung mga storm which hindi pumapasok sa character niya because music protects and helps him cope up with these negativities. And kung mapapansin nyo, sa unang tingin parang normal na mga storm lang yun. Pero may mga nasulat na words dito like mahina ka, stress, bida-bida, etc. Actually, nung una, hindi ko to napansin. Pero nung tinititigan ko kung ano special dun sa artwork niya, and dun ko napansin yung mga word na to. Akala ko nung una highlights lang. So, ayun, sobrang galing. Next is from Ice Cream. Nung una ko nakita yung artwork niya, napasmile ako literally. Bukod sa nakikita natin na nag-enjoy sa music, around her yung drawing niya, pakiramdam mo parang nahawa ka sa kasiyahan na yun. Ganun yung dating sa akin. Okay, next is isang malupit na artwork from EJ Villas. So the way na in-express yung theme natin is by creating an original character which represents the totality of music. And isa sa mga judge natin, medyo hawig yung art style niya and nagustuhan talaga tong artwork niya. Okay, next artwork is from EJ Vincent. Grabe tong si EJ Vincent. Nung unang na-receive ko yung entry niya, napailing na lang ako kasi bukod sa sobrang galing ng pagkaka-represent niya, parang medyo nagigilty ako kasi parang hindi enough yung price ko and price pool sa level ng talent sa level ng talent and artworks na na-receive ko for our DAX Week 2. Sobrang dami niyang representations na ginamit dito. Kapag unang tingin mo, ang mapapansin mo is he's wearing his headphones while listening to music with his heart. Pero ang pinaka-target niya dito talaga is na the moment na sinuod niyang headphones na yon is it connected to his heart, and yung gloomy na paligid niya is unti-unti nagiging color blue, which is parang creating a new reality or removing parang replacing the current gloomy situation na meron siya and turning it into color blue. Sobrang galing and hands down sa talent and creativity ng utak na ito. Next is from Glizzy Mian. Makikita mo agad na sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam ng artwork niya and mararamdaman mo yung calmness na nagagawa sa kanya ng music. Okay, next is from Ivan Animation. He used many representations here. Yung road na dinadaanan ng note, yung note na nire-represent yung planet Earth, yung mga signs sa kaliwa. Parang ang gusto niyang iparating dito is yung parang music is a path to achieve happiness, peace, and hope within our planet. Ganun kasimple. Next is from Jay Colette. Gumamit siya ng representations like yung headphone na pinapakinggan ng puso mismo. So parang directly niya sinasabi na it heals your heart through the music. Okay, next is from J Anim. Cute ng artwork and sobrang daling maintindihan ng gusto niyang iparating dito na when you're listening to music, it protects you from sadness. Next is si Kenneth Ortega. First impression, sobrang talented. Tinititigan ko na yung tubig dito nung una ko nakita ito eh. Pero ang gusto niya iparating dito is common lang naman, which is makikita rin natin sa ibang artworks na through music you're escaping the current situation you are in and it helps you cope up with the situation. From our talented and napakalupid na Lanlanimations, unang tingin ko dito, ang masasabi ko, sobrang passionate. Okay, next is from Mark Giovanni. Paka-unique ng submission niya. So, ang pinagusto niyang i-represent dito is ever since music is already within us and is still growing and growing and growing. From Marky Cabiso, yung una mong makikita yung artwork niya, ang gaan sa pakiramdam. I think simple lang yung gusto niyang iparating dito, same as the others, yung creating a separate reality. Ganito yung nararamdaman niya while he is listening to music. Next is from Mart Animations. Actually, medyo bias ako sa mga mas gumamit ng mga iba't ibang klase ng mga representations. Nilagay niya yung planet Earth dito sa instrument na to, which signifies or represents nga na connectedness na nagagawa ng music sa mundo natin. And yung isa pang representation ng connectedness dito is yung mga iba't ibang colors na parang arrow. Tingin ko hindi arrow to, pero mga tao siya. Ganito niya lang the way ni-represent yung mga tao. Okay, next is from Mika Alessandre. Nakakabilib yung ganitong klase ng talent na sasali sa pa-contest ko. Gusto niyang iparating dito is a journey you are taking by following the path of the music. Okay, next is Rian. Mararamdaman mo yung peaceness, yung calmness kapag tinitingnan mo yung artwork niya. Reuse art. Okay? Medyo creative yung the way na in-express niya yung music dito. Ever the current situation, she's outside. The music creates a separate reality within herself. Ganun ko naintindihan yung artwork niya. Okay, next is from Zam Animates. Isa sa mga nakaka-blown away na submission. Nirepresent niya yung tao through the note. Yung mga ulo ng mga tao dito is connected pala sa isa't isa. Wherein gusto niya sabihin na connected sila through the use of music. Tapos yung dinadaan nilang piano tiles is parang path connected to the world, around the world, which means it connects everyone. Yung mapapansin nyo, bakit parang ganun yung kulay? Parang ang glitchy tingnan. Yung ganitong effect is produced by music. Halimbawa, pag medyo nakakahilo yung naririnig ko music, sobrang lakas. Parang ganito yung effect na mangyayari sa'yo eh. Yung medyo glitchy yung nakikita ng paningin mo. Ayun lang. Sobrang ganda ng representation na ginawa niya dito. Okay, para ma-determine yung winner, ginawa kong point system yung pag-judge. Nanghingi ako ng top 11 na artworks para kay Judge Roy and Zime. For top 4 to 11, makakuha ng 1 point. For top 2 and 3, makakuha ng 2 points, and top 1 will get 3 points. Para kay Zime, ito yung top 11 artworks. And ito naman yung top 3 niya. And for her top 1, ito ang comment ni Zime para sa top 1 na napili niya. This artwork has a very relaxed, simple, and clean style, but the emotion of the character says it all. The overall feels does not need any written explanation. It just hits you at the right spot. Pag nakita mo to, mapapaisip ka sa mga moments na na-enjoy mo yung music. Hindi lang pa nag-iisa ka, kundi pati kasama mo yung mga best people sa buhay mo. Sarap sa mata ng color choices, and this style is definitely both for kids and adult alike. Shit! Dami English nun ah. Then, proceed tayo kay Roy. These are his top 11 artworks. Para sa kanya, ito yung mga eye-catchers. May tinatawag na first glance stopper. Sila yon. Okay, for his top 3, sila daw yung mga magaling mag-composition and remarkable use of colors. And for his top 1, ayon kay Roy, I chose this one dahil sa art style niya. Unique and very creative. And also yung rendering niya and color choice as well as posing ng character. Lalo na yung cape, talagang dinadala yung attention mo towards the character's guitar. Next naman is si Giano. Pinapili ko naman siya ng 14 artworks para mas madami magka-chance. And top 5 naman imbis na top 3. So yung top 6 to 14 will get 1 point, top 2 to 5 will get 2 points, and top 1 will get 3 points. Ito yung top 14 niya. Then ito naman yung top 5. And for his top 1, para kay Giano, ito yung top 1 dahil tumugma yung explanation niya dun sa artwork niya. Okay, last is yung sa akin. Kumuha naman ako ng top 17. Sobrang dami kasing deserving pero hindi pa lahat is nalagay dun. Yung top 8 to top 17 will get 1 point, top 2 to 7 will get 2 points, and yung top 1 will get 3 points. So ito yung top 17 ko. Then, ito naman yung top 7 ko. Kung mapapansin nyo, mostly dyan is yung mga creative gumamit ng mga representation sa artwork nila. And ang aking top 1, Zam Animates. Ewan ko ba? Sobrang akong na-amaze nung na-realize ko yung gusto niyang i-express sa artwork niya. Sobrang husay. Sobrang creative. So, if nagbilang kayo ng points, siguro alam niyo na sino winner. Ang ating winner, congratulations, EJ Vincent. Sobrang bangis mat ang taba ng utak. You well deserve first place. Also, congratulations kay Zam Animates for getting second place. Lahat na nakuha ng 3 points pataas will receive consolation po. Second gets 300 pesos and first gets 1,000. Pasensya na kung madaming deserving na makakuha ng at least consolation sana pero di ko mabibigyan. Generous naman ako pero malaki na magagastos ko masyado. And own money ko kasing ginagamit ko pang prize. If someday magiging successful ang channel natin, ibibigay ko naman ang deserving prizes para sa ino-offer nyong talent and everyone who deserves and has potentials. Pasensya na po. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta and congratulations sa lahat and especially to our judges that will help you inspire sa level na meron na sila ngayon. Tulad nyo lang din sila dati, but strive to improve themselves. Stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye! If nagustuhan nyo ang ating video, please like, comment, subscribe, eat, sleep, repeat, reuse, reduce, recycle, and click the shining shimmering bell. Thank you!